Okay, so this problem states that a particle is accelerated uniformly from rest so that after 10 seconds its speed is 15 meter per second. Speed is velocity. When it's without direction, it's called speed, so it's the same thing. Find its acceleration and the distance it has traveled. So first we can write what we know. The particle is accelerated uniformly from rest. That means initial velocity is 0, and after 10 seconds its speed is 15 meter per second. That means time is 10 seconds and final velocity is 15 meter per second. So these things we know. We need to find acceleration, which is an unknown, and we need to find the distance that it travels. So first we can, if we think of this equation, which is final velocity is equal to u plus at, so we know v, we know u, we know t, so we can get a from here. So that will be v is 15, u is 0, a times 10, so a is 1.5 meter per second square. Now that we know a, we need to find the distance traveled, so we can use this equation ut plus half at square. This one becomes u is 0, so this term, this expression becomes 0, this part, and this is half times 1.5 times 10 square. So that will be s is equal to 0.75 times 10 square is 100, so that will be 75 meter. We could have used this equation as well, because we also know from here we also can find s, so we can write from this one, we know this one is becoming 0, so 2as is v square, so s is v square over 2a, which is v square is 15 square, which is 15 times 15, divided by a, which is 2 times 1.5, so that's 225 over 3, which is 75 meter as well. So we get the same result. We could have used this equation or the other one, so this one or this one, both give us the same results. So yeah, so it's always best to first write down what we know and what we need to find out, and then we can figure out which equation we will have to use to find out the unknown ones.